What's up guys, in today's video I am going to show you how to insert into Google Sheet by using PHP. So let's start. First of all you have to select a project and after that you have to hit the new project. So first of all you need to give it name and you have to create it. So guys I am going to create credentials to insert into Google Sheet. After that you need to go to marketplace and you have to enable the Google Sheets API. So by this way you can enable the Google Sheet API. So guys I have enabled it successfully. After that you need to go to credentials and you have to create a credential. First of all auth client ID. You have to hit this button and proceed all the procedures. You have to hit the create and you have to give it app name. For example I am going to give it FindGap and I am going to give it email and we can give it app details like URL, privacy policy page, and after that you can give it developer email and at the last you can save it. You can give it all the scopes and after that you can proceed. Just skip this back to dashboard. So after that go back to your credentials and you have to create API key. You can save it and after that you have to create auth client ID. You have to select application type and name and after that you have to give it server name. For example I am going to give it staging server and you have to give it also the name of the server but with the auth and you have to create it. You can save it and at the last you have to create your service account. For example I am going to give it FindGap the service account name and you have to create it. You can specify the owner role and continue. You can skip this option and after that you have to edit this service count and go to your keys and create a new key. Select the JSON format and it is downloaded. You have to open the file. You have to save all the credentials in your credentials.json file just like that and after that you have to create Google Sheet. You can create Google Sheet by this way. You have to create a blank API sheet. So guys I have created a Google Sheet and I am going to change these names and also you can change this name. After that go to your code and you have to copy this email and you have to share it and share it with this email. So our sheet is done and after that we have to run the code. So in my sheets.php there is a code to insert into Google Sheets. First of all, this is the directory. We can also create this directory by Composer by this way. And this is the credentials.json file. In this file I already saved my credentials, as you can see. After that you have to copy the sheet ID by going into sheet and copy this ID like this way. You have to replace it, and after that you have to copy this name and replace into range. This is called the sheet name, and this is the parameters of the sheet, and this is the value which I am going to insert into my sheet. So first of all I am going to upload my code into server. So I am going to compress this file and upload into my server by file manager in the WordPress. So I am going to upload this folder. So after that I have to uncompress this code. So guys, as you can see, it is uploaded, and I am going to hit this URL, and after that Google Sheets and then sheets.php. There is a mistake in the URL. So as you can see, it is giving us error, fatal error on the line Google Sheets vendor folder, and then composer, and then platform underscore check.php file on line 24. So I am going to fix this error, and then platform check.php file. So this error is coming from this line, and upload my code. Just go to vendor folder and then composer and open this file and save your code. After that refresh this all. So as you can see, our values is displaying as I displayed in my PHP file testing and Numan Gufar. So after that I am going to check this by commenting this. So this append function is used to insert into Google Sheet, and this is the sheet ID, and this is the sheet name, and then values, and this is the parameters. So I am going to upload this code. So as you can see, there is another error, and we have to fix this. So this is coming from this root. So we have to go to vendor folder and then PSR and then cache and source, and this is the file. In this file 104 is the line. So this is the error line, and save it. So I am going to open this file and save my code. So after that I have to refresh this again. So as you can see, I have displayed on the insertion of Google Sheet a message in success. So after that I am going to check my Google Sheet, and as you can see our data is inserted, and I am going to check it again by refresh it, and you can see it is again inserted. So by this way you can insert into Google Sheets by PHP. So we just have to create credentials from the Google console, and we have to put these credentials in your code, and then we have to run the code. You can insert anything which you want. So guys, if you find my video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.